Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 21, Reporting and Testing. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of reporting and testing in pay-per-click (PPC) advertising and how to use these strategies to optimize your campaigns for better results. 1. Importance of reporting. Measure performance. Reporting allows you to measure the performance of your PPC campaigns against your goals and KPIs. Identify trends. Reporting helps you identify trends and patterns in your campaign performance, allowing you to make informed decisions about optimization. Track ROI. Reporting allows you to track the return on investment, ROI, of your campaigns and determine their effectiveness in achieving your objectives. 2. Key metrics to track. Click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of users who click on your ad after seeing it. Conversion rate, the percentage of users who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form, after clicking on your ad. Cost per click, CPC, the average amount you pay for each click on your ad. Return on ad spend, ROAS, the ratio of revenue generated to the cost of your ads, used to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. 3. Reporting tools. Google Ads reporting. Use the reporting tools in Google Ads to generate reports on your campaign performance, including metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. Google Analytics. Use Google Analytics to track user behavior on your website and attribute conversions to your PPC campaigns. 4. A/B testing. A/B testing involves testing different elements of your ads, such as headlines, images, or call-to-action buttons, to see which ones perform best. Set up A/B tests by creating multiple versions of your ad and running them simultaneously to compare their performance. Use the results of your A/B tests to optimize your ads for better performance and ROI. 5. Testing landing pages. Test different landing pages to see which ones result in the highest conversion rates. Experiment with different layouts, content, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. 6. Continuous optimization. Use the insights from your reporting and testing to continuously optimize your PPC campaigns for better results. Regularly review your campaign performance and make adjustments to your targeting, bidding, and ad creatives to improve performance over time. By leveraging reporting and testing in your PPC advertising efforts, you can gain valuable insights into your campaign performance and optimize your campaigns for better results and ROI.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.